everybody, welcome back. My name is Christy and I am a part-time reseller on eBay, Poshmark, and mercari. And today's video is going to be a little bit different than what I normally do. I normally get most of my inventory from my local thrift store or from the Goodwill bins, but I was tired of going to the Goodwill bins. You know, I got good stuff there. It's like an hour away, and then it's backbreaking work going through all that stuff. And so I got an email over Father's Day through Helpsy source, and they had a sale going on. Then I also had a coupon code, so I don't remember exactly what I paid. I know it was 300 and something dollars for 2 boxes that I got. I got both of them the same. They are the men's outdoor brands box, 40 pieces. So it equaled out to be like $4 and something cents per piece. So I don't think that's too bad. So today we're just gonna go through that box, or I got 2 boxes. We're gonna go through 1 box today. It is full to the brim. Sorry, my voice has been really weird lately. It is really heavy, filled to the brim. I almost cut some of the clothes trying to open the box. I have not opened the box except for cutting the tape. So we're just gonna get into it and show you guys what I got from them. There's all kinds of brands. They do, if you go on to Helpsy source and you're trying to pick a box, they do go through and have like a big giant long list of the possibility of brands that could be in your box. So I do like that. So of course they have like the North Face, Prada, Patagonia, you know, Vuori. I don't even know if I'm saying that correctly. Just a very long, you know, Adidas, Under Armour, all the things. So we will just go through and see what I got. These are an Adidas size medium. Just some gym shorts. Let's see the pocket there. Let's see. They're definitely a little bit pilled, a few pulls on the material, but we will look at them closer later before I list them, of course. Also, I am going to take some of these to my buy-sell trade store depending on what they are, and I think I'm going to put all my buy-sell trade store stuff over here on this side that I'm going to plan on, and the stuff I'm going to keep I'm going to put over there, the stuff I'm going to list myself. Let's see, this is a hoodie, Champion hoodie. Yeah. Yep, Champion size medium. Hoodie has that there, and it has that on the side there. I'll probably sell that one myself. Let's see, this is, what is this? So far I'm not seeing a tag of any kind. Also not seeing any kind of, oh, that's what I was thinking. So it's a Lululemon, just a basic men's, like button-up, oh, seriously? Button-up polo shirt. So if I can find a size that, I'll look it up. If it's decent and I can sell it for over like 20 myself, I'll probably sell it myself. If it's one of the ones that are just oversaturated and don't sell for very much or very well, I'll just take it to the buy-sell trade store. But for now, I'll put it in my pile. This is a pair of Nike golf pants, men's size 36. They're actually just shorts, not pants. So those keep for now, may take to the buy-sell trade store later after looking up comps. This is a Columbia men's shorts. For me, Columbia does not do very well online, but these are a cargo short, so they may do a little bit on the better side. So I will probably keep that one for now. May possibly change my mind later. Let's see, this is a new with tags Nike polo, but button up, or yeah, but it does have a business on the front. It says Pirate Water. So I will look that up and see. Sometimes things from like places that people go to for vacations and whatnot will still do okay. So I will look that one up, especially since it's brand new with tags. Also, because I'm pretty sure my buy-sell trade store probably would not take it because that is not something that is around here, so I'm just guarantee they won't take that. So another Nike pair of shorts, size small. Those, again, I'll put that there. I know my buy-sell trade store usually takes Nike, and Nike is pretty oversaturated depending. Another Nike, the Nike tee. It says the 76ers on it. It is a long sleeve. So, I don't know, we'll put it over there for now. Oh, here's a hoodie, an Adidas hoodie. Let's see, it looks like it's a bigger size. What size is this? It is a size US extra large. Yeah, that's what I thought. Let's see. Yep. So there. We'll keep that. There's another Nike. Another Nike. Nike long sleeve pullover shirt. I might just take that to the buy sell trade store. Let's see, what is this thing? It's a jersey. Ooh, NFL, Nike. Does it have a team or is it just a plain? Okay, I don't know who that is. I'll have to look it up. Boza. So it's 97. I know this is a team. I know I should freaking know it. I know this is someone's team. If anybody knows what team this is, leave it in the comments. It's got like a lightning bolt. It says Boza or Basa on the front, number 97. So I will definitely keep that and look into that. Another Ultimate Tee by Adidas. It's got the big spell out across. Not seeing any stains on it, so I may take that to the buy sell trade store because it's just a plain t-shirt. And a pair of swim trunks by Nike. Nike, I believe it's so small, right? Extra small. Extra small Nike shorts. I'll try that at the buy sell trade store. Some Reebok. Let's see what size. Large. They have a date on it. Oh yeah, 2018. Pair of Reebok men's slip pants. They do look like they're a little pilled in places, like the knees. They do also got the big spell out at the bottom. So I may try those at the thrift or at the buy sell trade store and just see. Is this another one of those? Yep. Another one of those same Pirate Cove pullovers, size large. Doesn't say how much they cost to begin with, but I'll do my research on that one. The Under Armour men's size 2XL shorts with a nice Under Armour symbol on the side, so I will do that at my buy sell trade. This is another Adidas. These are definitely much bigger size. These are Adidas size 2X. No, I don't think it had a drawstring. No. There we go. So that, I'll probably keep that for myself since it is a larger size. A Champion size large men's pair of shorts. That will go to the buy sell trade. This looks like maybe another jersey. Yep. Adidas, the Sixers. Number 25. It does have, is it Simmons? Yeah, Simmons on the back. I know that's a basketball team. So I'll keep that. Ooh, another jersey. A Nike NFL Chargers jersey. Henry. So that is another decent one that I will sell myself. Liking all the jerseys. Let's see. Adidas size medium track jacket zip up. I will probably sell that myself. Is this another Nike? Nope, Adidas. This light here is a little off. Adidas pair of pants. I'll probably put those in the buy sell trade store. Let's see. This is nope. Under Armour. Smaller, extra small. Small pair of pants. They have like the little thing at the bottom to like pull them tighter. I don't know yet. I guess for now I'll put them over here on my side. We'll see. If they're decent, I'll keep them. If not, I'll take them. All right. This one is a Puma hoodie. I'm going to take that to the buy sell trade store only because of the issues that people have had with selling Puma online nowadays. I just don't want my account with anything funky with it. They did pull all my Puma off when they did it, when they did that a month or two ago, and I'm just not going to risk it. So this is another Nike size 4X pair of shorts. So I will keep those myself. Here's something a little different. What brand is this? Okay, this is the North Face. It is a zip up like jacket, but it is definitely very pilled. So I don't know what I would do with that. I might take it to the buy sell trade store and first see if they'll buy it. If they don't, then maybe sell it myself. Let's see, this is a Carhartt. Is it button up? Yep, Carhartt men's button up shirt. It's a very thick, almost like a blue jean material. So I will keep that myself. This is one thing I might not sell. We'll see. Nike dry fit tee, but it has Penn State Student Affairs campus staff on the back. I mean, I'll look it up and see. It might sell for something, or I could just donate it or something. We'll see. Nike dry fit, long sleeve shirt. It says Tennessee on the front. So I will sell that myself because my buy sell trade is not going to take that. Let's see. Under Armour men's size small pair of pants with like jogger at the bottom. So I will probably take those to my buy sell trade. Okay, we're getting down to the bottom. And I don't know if I said this before. I think I did. This was a 40 piece. Okay, this is a brand I've never sold. I've never seen before. It was on their brand list. So we will look this up myself and see if it's any good. I don't even know how to pronounce that. I think it's Roan. That is the brand right there. It is a size 40 men's pair of pants. Very nice feeling material, so hopefully those are decent. Nike dry fit basic pair of shorts, size, I don't know if I said it, size medium, so I will just take those to the buy sell trade. Now anything that the buy sell trade store doesn't take after I've taken it there like 3 times, I will just try to sell myself. Nike dry fit, plain tee. I can't tell if it's got stains on the front or if it's just my lighting right now. So I'll take it home and look it over, but depending, I'll take it to the buy sell trade. Okay, this is a little different. Marine layer. Oh, okay. Never haven't heard of that either, but it's just a pair of marine layer men's like sweatpants type material shorts with a little like tropical design on the pocket. So I'll try that. I think that's good, but I'm not 100% sure if that was the brand. This is another Nike. It says Missouri Tennis on the front. It is a hoodie, and it is a size small. Looks more like a medium to me, but so since it has the thing on the front, I will have to take that myself, or buy that, or sell that myself. Another Nike long sleeve, just plain base layer type stuff. So that will go to the buy sell trade. This pair of Under Armour, size large, men's jogger pants, so I'll probably keep those myself. Okay, a couple more left. This is Carhartt. Okay, it's Carhartt flannel long sleeve, but on the pocket it says crab grab, so I don't know what that means. Probably an event of some kind if I had to guess. So which means I will just sell that myself because my local place is not going to take that. Am I down to the last one? Nope, 2 more I think. This is, I think it's just brand REI, yeah. REI Co-op. I think this is like a layering piece that goes underneath your pants. So it's just like a long pair of base layer type pair of pants. And I think this is another one the exact same. Yep, size small, base layer. Let's see, that's size small too. It is. So I will probably do a lot and just sell these together. So that is everything in the box. I think it was a pretty good box. I'm not gonna lie. Especially if some of those jerseys are worth something. I don't know. I'll have to do some research. If I can do the research before I post the video, I might, I may edit it and put like up in the corner somewhere what I can get for the jerseys. If I don't have time to do that beforehand, because today is my daughter's birthday party and she's having a big major sleepover, so I may not get to that before, but if I do, I will. So we'll go from there. And yeah, if you know what that Pirate Waters is, also leave that in the comments because I don't know where that is either. And I'm gonna put that over to the side. And yeah, so tell me what you guys thought about the box, if you would have been happy with this. I'm happy with the box, so we'll see whether or not it is worth it. Hopefully you guys have a good weekend, and I will talk to you guys on the next video. Like, comment, and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Maybe give me some of your opinions down in the comments if you have bought from Helpsy Source before, what your experience has been with them. I've bought from them before and I've had decent experiences. This one is pretty good, so I'm happy with that. $4 a piece for those isn't bad. So yeah, I guess I will just see you guys on the next video, and hopefully you guys got some good sales going. Bye.